Small yet powerful, the R&D laser can accommodate tablets, capsules, or soft gels and manages multiple product recipes. From laser marking on soft gels to laser drilling for controlled release tablets, it delivers consistent, high-quality output for your small batch and R&D needs. Each R&D laser machine comes equipped with a custom-made paddle to accommodate your specific product. The sophisticated technology is remarkably easy to use. Simply turn the machine on, open the hatch, and insert the paddle into the designated area. After the hatch is closed, the laser is ready to be fired using our operator-friendly touchscreen PLC interface. And all Ackley Hartnett machines meet or exceed all FDA and CE compliance regulations. Ease of use and the power to precisely laser mark or drill